amidst the endless embrace of the turquoise sea, lay Hukuru, an island thriving under the watchful eyes of its inhabitants, bound by family, tradition, and the sea. Life on Hukuru was simple yet full. Men, skilled fishermen, set sail at dawn, while women nurtured their children and the island with a love as deep as the sea. During a bountiful fishing season, the island flourished. Fishermen went out to sea twice a day, while the island chief and the imam, guardians of tradition, remained ashore. Despite the imam's warning not to fish on Friday before the Friday prayer, the men, tempted by the sea's riches, set sail, leaving the island's spiritual needs unattended. The catch was extraordinary, but so was the sight that met their eyes. A school of tuna forming an ominous oval shape on the sea's surface. The Calhooven Bodemus, a mythical sea creature, appeared, luring the fishermen into the vastness of the ocean, never to return. Upon realizing the fishermen's fate, the islanders, led by the imam and the chief, decided to abandon Hukuru, leaving it to the whispers of the ocean. That's how the name Hukuru Elhi was given to the island. Hukuru remains uninhabited, a testament to the legend of Hukuru Elhi, reminding us of the sea's bounty and its mysteries.